Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Never Tasted Before. Today's recipe is mutton masala with easily available ingredients in home. I'll show you now the step-by-step procedure. The first thing is I have taken half kg mutton, washed and cleaned it properly. Salt to taste, half teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoon of jeera powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 cup of curd, a bunch of coriander, 3 medium-sized onions roughly sliced, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 3 to 4 cloves, 3 cardamom, a pinch of shazeera, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, 4 to 5 red chilli, dry red chilli, and 1/4 teaspoon of poppy seeds. You can call kashkash. Grind ginger garlic paste, red chilli, and poppy seeds. Add some water and grind it into a fine paste. The second step is in half kg mutton, add a cup of curd. Two green chilies, chopped coriander leaves, salt to taste, add little bit because we already will also add it in the masala, turmeric, jeera powder, dhania powder, and mix this well. I have mixed it well. Now close the lid and keep this marination aside for half an hour or 40 minutes. After grinding, the paste look like this. You can see I have added a bit of water and form it into a paste. Even you can add a water and form the paste. Start cooking. Take a pan, add 4 tablespoons of oil, and let oil get heated. When oil get heated, add sliced onion and cook it till golden brown. When onion is slightly brown, add all our dry masalas, whole masala, and cook it for a minute. After cooking for a minute, add our rounded paste and cook till it separates the oil, or for 5 minutes. After cooking for 2 minutes, add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, then cook till it leaves the oil. It started leaving the oil. Now add a marinated mutton. Marinated it for 40 minutes. Mix it and cook this without closing the lid for 5 minutes. I have cooked for 5 minutes. You can see. Now add a cup of water. After mixing well, close the lid and pressure cook it for 3 whistles. Let's see. Oh wow, it's cooked nicely. Now switch on the flame. Now add salt to taste, chopped coriander, and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix it well and cook it for 5 more minutes on low flame. You can see it cooked nicely. Now let's transfer into the bowl and garnish it. I've transferred in a bowl and garnished with coriander and a slice of lemon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share my channel and click the bell icon for the notifications whenever I upload a